Maintaining work-life balance is essential for overall well-being and productivity. Here are 3 key strategies to help you achieve this balance and prevent burnout. First, set clear boundaries between work and personal life. Create a schedule that allows for dedicated time to focus on work tasks as well as quality time for personal activities and relationships. Communicate these boundaries to your colleagues, friends, and family members to ensure they understand and respect your needs. Second, prioritize self-care and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Take breaks throughout the day, engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, and prioritize your physical and mental health. Incorporate exercise, meditation, and hobbies into your schedule to recharge and rejuvenate. Lastly, delegate tasks and ask for support when needed. Recognize that you don't have to do everything on your own. Delegate tasks at work and seek help from your support system in your personal life. Remember, it's not a sign of weakness to ask for assistance, it's a sign of strength and self-awareness. In summary, set clear boundaries between work and personal life, prioritize self-care and make it a non-negotiable, delegate tasks and ask for support when needed.